The best workout is the one you'll actually do. That might sound simple, but for busy adults juggling work, family, and life, that's the truth. And here's the good news. You don't need hours in the gym to build definition. In fact, if you combine the right movements with the right intensity, 20 minutes at home is more than enough to start seeing real results. This is part 3 of our How Long Does It Take to Tone Up series. If you missed the first 2 parts, we covered how long it really takes and then broke down protein, amounts, timing, and sources, so be sure to check those out after this one if you missed it. Today, we're pulling it all together with efficient workouts you can do at home in just 20 minutes that actually deliver definition. And make sure to stick around because I'll share a unique method at the end that almost no one talks about, but can change your results dramatically. Now, when most people think toning, they picture endless crunches, light weights, or hours of cardio. But here's the thing. Definition is a mix of muscle stimulus plus fat loss. You need to build lean muscle and lower body fat. And the fastest way to do that at home is a blend of compound strength movements, mobility, and intervals. Let's break it down into 3 principles. Principle 1. Prioritize compound moves. Think push-up, squats, rows, lunges, hip hinges. These recruit multiple muscle groups at once, which means you burn more calories and stimulate more definition in less time. Instead of time spent isolating one muscle, you get muscles time under tension working synergistically together. For example, a push-up doesn't just work your chest, it also engages your shoulders, triceps, and core. That's triple the return on your investment. Principle 2. Use time, not just reps. For busy people, time-based circuits are gold. Set a timer for 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest, and rotate through 5 to 6 moves. Research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research from 2021 shows that timed intervals produce similar or even better results than traditional sets when it comes to fat loss and conditioning. Principle 3. Mix strength and mobility. This is where most people miss the mark. They either go too hard on HIIT or too slow with yoga. The magic happens when you combine both. For example, pair squats with hip openers, push-ups with downward dog, or kettlebell swings with planks. This keeps you strong and supple, so you not only look defined, but also move well and stay pain-free. So how does this look in practice? Here's a 20-minute example workout. Warm up for 2 minutes, march in place, arm circles, bodyweight squats. Circuit 16 minutes, repeat 2 times. Push-ups 40 seconds. Squats or jump squats 40 seconds. Bent over rows with bands, dumbbells 40 seconds. Reverse lunges 40 seconds. Hip bridge or hip thrust 40 seconds. Seated shoulder press with bands or dumbbells 40 seconds. 20 seconds rest between moves. Cool down 2 minutes. Stretch hamstrings, chest, and hips. That's it. 20 minutes, full body, efficient, and effective. You hit all major muscles and will feel toasted if done correctly. This is just one example, and these need to be done multiple times a week. Now, here's the bonus method I promised. Cluster sets. Instead of grinding out as many reps as possible and burning out, you break your reps into smaller clusters with short rests. For example, instead of 12 push-ups straight, do 4, rest 10 seconds, do 4, rest again, and finish with 4. If you can do more push-ups, the same principle applies and allows you to still get more reps. You'll lift more total volume in less time, which accelerates strength and definition. This method has been gaining traction in recent studies, like one in Frontiers in Physiology from 2022. And it's perfect for busy people who want maximum muscle stimulation without marathon workouts. So here's the bottom line. If you want definition, don't waste time on endless crunches or cardio. Focus on compound moves, use timed circuits, combine strength with mobility, and experiment with techniques like cluster sets to keep progressing. If this series has helped you, do me a favor. Hit that like button, it really helps this channel grow. And subscribe, because we've got more coming on recovery, energy hacks, and smart training strategies for busy adults. And let me know in the comments, what's your go-to at-home exercise when you're short on time? Remember, it's not about doing more. It's about doing the right things consistently. Stay strong, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, we try to bring practical, real fitness advice you can use right away.